The Napoleonic Wars, 1799–1815, were led by Napoleon Bonaparte after the French Revolution. France, under Napoleon, rose to dominate Europe but then declined rapidly, especially after failing to invade Russia. These wars revolutionized European military tactics and resulted in larger, well-supplied armies. The conflict ended with Napoleon's defeat at the Battle of Waterloo and his exile, restoring the House of Bourbon in France. Major battles included Trafalgar, Austerlitz, Jena, and Leipzig. The wars involved France and its allies against Britain, Prussia, Austria, Russia, and others. Napoleon's rise and fall had a lasting impact on Europe and beyond, influencing global politics and sparking changes in Latin America. The Napoleonic Wars ended with the Second Treaty of Paris in 1815.